Got bar stools.
New bar stools for the
From
new
Amazon.
home. Woo!
Assembly instructions.
So we got the XCXX.
Can you read?
uh. Ooh.
Nice. Nice. They're comfy.
Are they? Let me feel. Oh yeah, they're plush.
Two of them.
Comes with a set of two for the price of one.
Yep. Yep.
Those are the bases.
Base. Oh,
The
legs.
The legs. Those are like the decorative pieces that go on the base of the legs where it connects to the base. The footrest. So first we unwrap the base, then put the decorative ring on top of it, and then insert the hole right inside of it. Now I'm gonna put the footrest hole on top. And so now it just looks like that. And then next you just put the seat on top. This is where we put the screws in, because it comes with the screwdriver, the 4 bolts that need to go in there. So it should match up with 4 holes on the seat. And there's 4 holes in the pole too. So put the screws through there, tighten it up. Here, use the screwdriver. And then give you 2 screwdrivers for both bar stools. So these are the 4 holes, and just so you can see, there's the 4 holes that go in the bottom of the seat. I read a review that said it only took 30 minutes to set this up, and that included unboxing, putting it together, and cleaning up all the mess and stuff. Our setup might take a little longer because Ming keeps getting in the way. So finishing the last bolts on the second one. And it looks like they're very much together. And they're working. Can you go down? And those are our stools. Really nice. Look at the arm of it, and like color, really plush. And yeah, I would definitely recommend it. Really lightweight too, so that you can move around. You want to move somewhere else. Thanks for watching.